oladoc YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें। अब पाकिस्तान के हजारों डॉक्टर से वीडियो कंसल्टेशन के जरिए इलाज करवाएं। तो अभी oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें और घर बैठे अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें। oladoc, मुश्किल वक्त में आपके साथ।
Hi guys, this is Maha. Welcome to One Room Workout. This is a 9-minute abs workout without equipment. Let's look at the preview. We'll be doing 2 rounds of 4 exercises. Once we're done with the first round, we'll repeat the same exercises for the second round. All the movements for this specific workout are from the floor. So किसी भी movement के लिए आपको खड़े होने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. The most important thing that you need to remember is that you need to keep a constant squeeze on your ab muscles. Make sure कि जो आपका पेट है, जो abs है, जो core है, वो constantly tight रहे. That's what you have to remember. There is no warm-up required for this workout, but if you would like to do one, you can go to my channel One Room Workout and do a quick warm-up routine. Like I said, there's no equipment required for this workout. I'm using a yoga mat for comfort. You can too. Let's start with the workout. Like I said, all the movements are from the floor. So let's just get down on our backs. Put your hands underneath your bum and your lower back. Tuck your chin in and start with your flutter kicks. Make sure your knees are bent and you have a constant squeeze on your ab muscles. Make sure your lower back is not arching at all, it's straight. Get as many kicks as you can. Your pace can be faster than mine or it can be slower than mine, that's okay. Just don't stop. Amazing guys. Now we're going to do some reverse crunches. You're going to stay on the floor, hands on your side, knees bent. Now you're going to bring your knees up to your chest and go back. Make sure you're not touching your heels on the floor, it's just your toes. Bring your knees to your chest and go back. You'll realize कि हर rep के बाद आपका rhythm इस मूवमेंट के लिए बेहतर होता रहेगा. So just keep on doing it, do not give up. Again, keep a constant squeeze on your ab muscles. We're almost done with our second exercise for the first round. Amazing guys. Now we're going to do an opposite elbow to knee. Bring your right foot up on your left knee. Crunch and reach with your opposite elbow. Crunch. Make sure you're squeezing your abs. You can do a sit-up version of this movement as well, which basically means you're going to sit up and reach for your knee. I'm only doing a crunch version, which is an easier one. Make sure your shoulder blades are coming up. Once we're done with this side, we're going to switch and do the other side. Let's switch. No breaks, let's start. Make sure there's a constant squeeze on your ab muscles. Make sure आपका core constantly tight रहे. Make sure your shoulder blades are coming off the ground. Even if you can't touch your knee, that's okay. Just do what you can do, but do not stop. Amazing, guys. Now we're going to do a Hello Dolly crossover. So put your hands underneath your lower back and bum, bend your legs and do a crossover. We're opening our knees and we're doing a crossover. If you think your lower back is not flat on the ground, you can tuck your chin in. But if it is, then you can rest your head on the floor. Your pace can be faster than mine and it can be slower than mine. This is the last move for our first round. We're going to get a 10-second break and we're going to restart the set. Amazing, guys. 10-second break. We're going to start with flutter kicks now. Let's get back in the position. Let's go. Guys, now when you understand the movements, please make sure that your pace is going up every single time you're doing it. Again, you can tuck your chin in if you feel like your lower back is not flat, but if it is, that's okay. If you want to make this move a little more intense, you can straighten your legs too, but my knees are bent. Amazing, guys. We're going to do reverse crunches. Hands on the side. Bring your knees to your chest and go back. Make sure you're not touching your heels to the floor. It's just your toes. Please make sure पूरी movement में आपके जो ab muscles हैं वो constantly tight रहें. Amazing, guys. Now we're going to do an opposite elbow to knee. Let's start. Like I said, make sure there's a constant squeeze on your ab muscles. Make sure your shoulder blade is coming off the ground. Even if your elbow doesn't touch your knee, that's okay. Just do your best. We're almost done with this workout. Let's switch the legs. Crunch and reach with your opposite elbow. Breathe in, breathe out. Do not hold your breath. Keep squeezing, keep contracting your ab muscles. Amazing, guys. Last move, Hello Dolly crossover. Put your hands underneath your bum and your lower back. Knees bent. Open your knees and do a crossover. Again, if you feel like your lower back is not flat, you can tuck your chin in. आपकी पेस मुझसे ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है, मुझसे स्लो भी हो सकती है. Make sure you don't hold your breath. That's very important. We're almost done. This is the last move. Amazing, guys. We're done with the workout. Thank you, guys. If you like this workout, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you at your next workout.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। लाखों लोगों की तरह पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े डॉक्टर नेटवर्क का फायदा उठाएं और आज ही ओलाडॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओलाडॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।